Hello and welcome to Tablescape Tuesday Invite. This week I am a co-host. I'm Stephanie of CreativelyMsMe, Decorating on a Budget, and the hosts for this channel are Anna at The Grace Life DIY and Home Decor and Courtney at Amethyst Adventures. Now the title of this collaboration is Tablescape Tuesday. Now they have simple rules. They ask you to decorate your table, freestyle, and follow the proper protocol for collaborations. Mention both hosts in your video and in your description box, and use the hashtag Tablescape Tuesday. They also require that you be a member or subscribe to each host and co-host channel. Now the date for this collaboration is June 13th of 2023. The time is 5 p.m. Central Standard Time and 6 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. If you have any questions or concerns regarding this collaboration, please contact one of your hosts, Anna or Courtney, for more details. And as always, I'll see you in the next episode. If you want to see more, click the video here or the link below and you'll be blessed.